Attorneys for former Cincinnati City Councilman PG Sittenfeld accuse a juror of misconduct.
They say the juror posted to Facebook during the trial and even while the jury was deliberating.
WCPO News 9 News IT reporter Paula Christian is here with more on the motion that was filed late today. Paula.
Well, this motion was just filed in federal court in Cincinnati with a slew of Facebook posts that one juror made about the case while the trial was still going on, including posts criticizing a fellow juror for talking too much and saying that another juror shouldn't be on the jury because she, quote, hates anyone that shares the same profession as our person on trial. Not cool.
It would have to be something pretty extraordinary here to overturn the verdict and result in a mistrial or a new trial. Again, this wouldn't throw the case out. It would just require a new trial.
Steve Gooden is a former prosecutor who also served on Cincinnati City Council. He was at Sittenfeld's trial and was there when the verdict was read. He says a generic social media post by a juror is usually not enough to set aside a guilty verdict.
So you have to show actual bias.
Courthouse staff members discovered the Facebook post made by the juror. Judge Douglas Cole met with attorneys about the issue right before the verdict was read on July 8th. The court gave attorneys screenshots of the juror's Facebook posts and many comments made by others about the posts, including a news article about the case. Sittenfeld's lawyers asked for a mistrial before the verdict was read, but the judge said no.
Would need to be something very, very specific that shows some sort of preconceived notion or other bias, or that a juror did some sort of research outside of the jury room and shared that with other jurors.
After the verdict was read, the judge questioned two jurors in his chambers. The following week, the judge ordered one juror to preserve their electronic communications at the request of Sittenfeld's lawyers. But it was too late because the Facebook posts were already deleted. Now Sittenfeld's lawyers want to see what else is on this juror's electronic devices.
So I think they're clearly looking to measure up the potential, whichever jurors is involved here, looking to match up their statements against some subsequent statement or action that they're alleged to have taken.
The judge kept the identity of the jurors secret from the public and the media, so we don't know who this juror is, and we can't check the social media posts ourselves. But I will continue to follow this issue. In the newsroom, Paula Christian, WCPO 9 I-Team.